So when I was trying to pick the panel, yeah, whatever, guest, we were thinking to do like more of a Gen Z discussions, yeah, generally लोग क्या सोचें, blah blah blah. But then I was like, अच्छा अगर हम दो Gen Z बुलाते हैं, मतलब how should I relate? फिर उस्मान कैसे? I think one thing commonality overall is the curiosity element. जितना मैं आप लोगों को जानता हूँ, मिला हुआ हूँ, आपके लिए आपने तो पैसे बना लिया, सब कुछ हो गया. But essentially, what are we trying to find out?
I think there is a urge deep down inside us in every human that there is something infinite that has been lost. Our consciousness is an absurdity in itself in existence, right? So evolution के through consciousness नहीं आनी चाहिए थी, क्योंकि consciousness जो है वो हमें big questions पर focus करती है. जब हम अपने parents से पूछते हैं ना कि यार big questions, why we are here, truly, तो वो हमें चुप इसलिए करवाते हैं क्योंकि उन्होंने भी ये क्वेश्चन पूछे होते हैं और वो भी डिस्टर्ब फील करते हैं और वो ये नहीं चाहते कि आप डिस्टर्ब फील करें लाइफ में, इसलिए वो आपके लिए सेफ इन्वायरमेंट बना रहे होते हैं कि यार डोंट थिंक अबाउट दीज थिंग्स. दिस क्यूरियोसिटी विल, सो आवर माइंड एंड आवर बॉडी is designed in a way to avoid pain, not to seek pleasure. Essentially, हमें तो pleasure seek करना चाहिए, हमें तो happiness seek करना चाहिए, but ऐसा नहीं होता. We are designed in a way जहाँ पे survival is more important to us than freedom, than the other aspects of life, right? Because the chances of you being dead was higher as a human. यानी आपका बचपन तो अभी नहीं है ना, अभी तो आप आखिरी कोई 2-3 सेकंड में पैदा हुए हैं, right? Human evolution has been from millions of years, और millions of years में जो हमने सीखा है वो ये है कि यार अगर कोई curiosity है ना, कहीं पत्ता हिल रहा है तो पास में जाना, वहाँ पे शेर होगा तो मैं खा जाएगा, and your life will end. And so you optimize to not being curious. But then later on, जब environments are safe, you don't feel unsafe anymore. Now you can think about the big question. You ask your parents and then they tell you not to be curious. Just be safe. And this fear of death, which comes from हमारे जो want है to be alive all the time, I think हम बच्चे भी इसलिए करते हैं, ठीक, लेगेसी भी इसलिए छोड़ते हैं. मेरा नहीं ख्याल कि वाकई लेगेसी छोड़ने का दिल होता है. मैंने अपने आप से पूछा कि why do I want to leave a legacy? I had this plan कि यार I will leave a legacy.
हाँ, मैं भी अक्सर पूछता हूँ, ये जो लोग कहते हैं कि यार मैं legacy, I was like, भाई तो अंदर हो गए. तो like exactly.
I think it's driven by the fear of death. So I don't want to die. I somehow want to be alive. मेरे बच्चे मेरी लेगेसी कंटिन्यू करेंगे, वो अपनी लाइफ गुजारेंगे यार. आपने पैदा किया है, सिर्फ एक प्रोसेस था जो कि आपने टिक बॉक्स किया, वो पैदा हो गए, अब वो एक अलग ह्यूमन है, वो आपकी लेगेसी के लिए पैदा नहीं हुआ, उनका अपना वाई है. वुड यू कंटिन्यू द लेगेसी ऑफ योर पेरेंट्स? यू वुड नॉट. सही, एवरी ह्यूमन इज डिफरेंट, राइट? बट सोसाइटी गिल्ट्स अस इनटू डूइंग दैट because that's how it works. Facebook पे जो हम like का reaction करते हैं versus angry का reaction करते हैं, Facebook gives 12 times more reach to that reaction because they are seeking your attention, right? And you're giving them their attention, right? So whole brands, and it's, I think, biggest rebellious in nowadays would be to be happy. It's the biggest rebellious act that you can do.
Yeah.
And you're not following the monkeys, the societies, the this and that. And everyone knows this. Everyone knows not to spend so much money on the wedding to impress people that you don't even like and never want to meet. But you do it anyway. You take loans. You pretend to be something that you're not. Why would you do that?
I think that's why it's more important to be content than to be happy. Maybe because like when you're content, maybe if you're sad, you're still content with what you have.
Yeah.
And what future brings for you, than being happy. Because I think when you're content, you are less anxious. You don't have to, aage kya hoga? Instead of being anxious for your future, you're kind of more excited for it.
I think we have always tried to fix ourselves into boxes.
Yeah.
If you're not happy, then you're sad. If you're sad, then you're happy. Then you have constantly
I
find
think it
that
goes
label
side
for
by
you,
side.
constantly find that box for you. So जो आपको पता है, जो आपकी vocabulary में है, उसी में रहो. उससे आस पास ना जाओ. And the question that you started it off with, that why now and why all of these things, I always see this as that it's a luxury for me to even question all these things. And now I can question this because now I'm in a position कि अच्छा मुझे ये नहीं सोचना कि मैंने survive करना है या नहीं करना. और पहले मैं इसलिए नहीं सोच रही थी क्योंकि मुझे पता ही नहीं था कि ये सोचना चाहिए या नहीं सोचना चाहिए था.
But do you think that was a good thing in a way?
It has its pros and cons. Definitely, if for the longest it felt like that the world is the most happiest, beautiful place to be at, right? And people are like, take it, like parents are like, the way you said that, shield it, like they're shielding you. So you don't have to be like, acha, ye bhi ho raha hai, and they're like protecting you to the best of their ability. When you are out of it, you do see why they wanted to do that, but then you're angry that why did you do that? Because now I have to face a world and I'm not ready for it. Like I thought that it was all going great, and then it's like
the bubble.
Yeah, the bubble has burst now, and all of that.